Good morning, friends. I'm your Miss Suja. So, our next lesson is about tracing sandpaper letter T. So, we'll start our lesson. So, to begin with the lesson, I found some objects which starts with T in my house. So, you can also go explore and you can find few objects which starts with T. And let's quickly begin our lesson. So you can see the sound T on the mat. So now I want everyone to join your fingers and trace along with me. And after I finish tracing, you can say the sound aloud with me. T. 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 This is T. After you finish tracing, you can trace on the board or you can trace on the mat or you can trace on your writing board. You can see the letter. Ask your parents to write the letter on the board and you can keep tracing on the board. So now we are moving to the objects. I found some objects in my house which starts with a T. Can anybody say what is this? Yes, you're correct. It's a tape. Look, what is this? Yeah, it's a tree. It's a stone tree, green color stone tree. Yes, this is tree. What is the first sound when I say tree? T, t, t. Can you see this little small object? Yes, what is this, friends? It's a tongue. T, t, t. And my last object is, yes, who can say this one? I can hear all my friends are saying aloud. You're correct, friends. It's a 10. T, t, t. 10. Tape, tree, tongue, 10. Tape starts with T. Tree starts with T. Tongue starts with the T. 10 starts with the T. After this, we are moving to trace the letter T on a white paper. Okay. You can use any paint. Up to you, friends. Any color paint you can take. And white paper, yes. So I'm taking the blue color paint today, keeping my T as a reference. I'm gonna keep my T next to me and I'm gonna watch the T and tracing on a white paper. T. You can trace as many T's you can. T. Keep tracing as many T's you can. T. Tracing the small T again. T. So we are learning today the sound T, 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 T. So hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Bye.